What's going on, YouTube family and friends? So yeah, I've been slacking, but I'm definitely getting my second video up. It would be my third one to my channel because that Monte Carlo was an old video when I used to be into music heavily. So first and foremost, I want to give a shout out to Boom and his wife for assisting me to doing my video records. So basically, I used a drone, I used my GoPro, also a good portion of my phone inside these video clips for my intro. Okay, so basic iMovie editing or whatnot. So I'm still learning the platform and everything of that nature, and hopefully I can get better at editing or whatnot. But so far I like it. I hope y'all like it. If y'all do like it, make sure you hit the like button, share, and subscribe. But yeah, get y'all on to the intro. So I hope y'all enjoy. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.